This chart shows vitamin C volume across common fruits. To match the nutrient density of one small green amla, you'd need 20 oranges. This concentration triggers 3 biological responses: reinforcing immune function, strengthening hair follicles, and regulating daily blood sugar levels. But extracting these benefits from the raw Indian gooseberry requires a specific preparation. If you try to eat one directly, you'll encounter a biological barrier. The fruit is intensely bitter and astringent, which makes it difficult to consume raw on a daily basis. Traditional recipes often involve boiling the fruit in sugar to make preserves like murabba. That process is time-consuming, adds significant sugar to your diet, and is often too labor-intensive for a modern morning routine. Today, we're going to walk through a 5-minute protocol that neutralizes that bitterness, extracts the maximum amount of nutrients, and generates exactly 0 waste. We start with the physical preparation.
Wash 4 fresh amlas and chop them into very fine fragments. As you cut, make sure to slice away from the hard inner core. You must discard the amla seeds entirely. If they enter the blender, their hardness can cause a mechanical malfunction. Transfer the chopped fruit into your mixer jar and add exactly 1 cup of baseline water to create the extraction environment. Now we add the flavor balancing formula: half a teaspoon of cumin, 6 to 7 peppercorns, 4 to 5 curry leaves, and a pinch of black salt. This spice matrix serves a biochemical function. It counteracts the harsh natural acids of the fruit while priming your digestive system for absorption. Run the blender until you achieve complete liquefaction. Inspect the liquid closely. No intact cumin seeds should be visible in the suspension. By combining mechanical force with this specific spice ratio, we transform an unpalatable raw fruit into a highly digestible nutrient serum. Now we separate the juice from the fiber. Pour the mixture through a thick, heavy-duty mesh strainer into a collection bowl. Use a spoon to apply firm physical pressure. You want to force every drop of the dense green liquid through the metallic mesh matrix. Transfer the liquid specifically into a glass container. Highly acidic juices like amla can react poorly with certain plastics or unlined metals. For the final flavor adjustment, stir in a single spoonful of high-quality honey. This balances the fruit's complex 5-taste profile, making it easier to drink. Before you drink it, you must follow a critical safety protocol. Amla contains extreme citric acid concentrations, which have the direct erosive capability to wear down your tooth enamel over time. Utilizing a reusable straw is a mandatory safety mechanism. This allows the nutrient payload to bypass your dental structures and enter the digestive tract safely. Now, look at the damp, fibrous clump remaining in your strainer. This fiber still contains undigested plant proteins that we want to keep. Distribute this wet clump across a wide plate, spreading it into a paper-thin layer to maximize air exposure. Place the plate in direct sunlight for a full 24-hour cycle. This utilizes passive solar dehydration to remove all moisture. Once dry, you can grind this into a shelf-stable powder. This closes the loop on our zero-waste cycle, turning the byproduct into a digestive aid. If your schedule doesn't allow for daily juicing, there are 2 faster ways to get these nutrients. You can blend raw fragments into a savory chutney with your meals, or steep the sun-dried powder in hot water for an instant tea. While extraction is optimal for adults, utilizing sweetened preparations like amla candy remains the most effective way to introduce these compounds into a child's diet. For the best results, you must consume the juice immediately upon waking on an empty stomach. This ensures the fastest possible cellular uptake. Drinking this on an empty stomach allows concentrated polyphenols and flavonoids to enter your bloodstream immediately. Polyphenols are naturally occurring plant compounds that help the body manage oxidative stress by neutralizing unstable free radical molecules. Because the high vitamin C content directly promotes the production of collagen, the main structural protein for your tissues, external results often appear within a few weeks. As the roots of your hair and the structure of your skin are reinforced, you'll likely see increased hair density and improved skin clarity. Audit your kitchen for the required spices today and commit to executing this extraction protocol tomorrow morning. Solidify that commitment by stating in the comments which of these 5 methods you'll try first: the juice, the powder, the tea, the chutney, or the candy.